வணக்கம், வெல்கம் டு அவர் சேனல். 10th standard science, 1 mark question and answers, lesson 5 acoustics. Choose the correct answer. When a sound wave travels through air, the air particles, here option A is correct. Answer is option A. Vibrate along the direction of the wave motion. Vibrate along the direction of the wave motion. Velocity of sound in a gaseous medium is 330 meter second power minus 1. If the pressure is increased by 4 times without causing a change in the temperature, the velocity of sound in the gas is. Answer option A. 330 meter second power minus 1. 330 meter second power minus 1. The velocity of sound in the gas is 330 meter second power minus 1. The frequency which is audible to the human ear is. Answer option B, 20 kilohertz. The frequency which is audible to the human ear is 20 kilohertz. The velocity of sound in air at a particular temperature is 330 meter second to the power minus 1. What will be its value when temperature is doubled and the pressure is half? Answer option C, 330 into square root of 2 meter second power minus 1. 330 into square root of 2 meter second power minus 1. If a sound wave travels with a frequency of 1.25 into 10 power 4 hertz at 344 meter second power minus 1, the wavelength will be. Answer option C, 0.02752 meter. 0.02752 meter. The sound waves are reflected from an obstacle into the same medium from which they were incident. Which of the following changes? A is option D, none of these. None of these. Velocity of sound in the atmosphere of a planet is 500 meter second power minus 1. The minimum distance between the sources of sound and the obstacle to hear the echo should be. Answer option C, 25 meter. 25 meter. Fill in the blanks. Rapid back and forth motion of a particle about its main position is called dash. Answer vibration. Rapid back and forth motion of a particle about its mean position is called vibration. If the energy in a longitudinal wave travels from south to north, The particles of the medium would be vibrating in dash. Answer: south to north. The particles of the medium would be vibrating in south to north. A whistle giving out a sound of frequency 450 Hz approaches a stationary observer at a speed of 33 meters second power minus 1. The frequency heard by the observer is, that is, at the speed of sound is 330 meters second power minus 1 is dash. Answer: 500 Hz. The frequency heard by the observer is 500 Hz. A source of sound is traveled with a velocity 40 km per hour towards an observer and emits a sound of frequency 2000 Hz. The velocity of the sound is 1220 km per hour. Then the apparent frequency heard by the observer is dash. Answer: 2067 Hz. 2067 Hz. True or false? If false, give the reason. Sound can travel through solids, gases, liquids, and even vacuum. Answer: false. Sounds can travel through solids, gases, liquids, but not in vacuum. But not in vacuum. Waves created by earthquake are infrasonic. Answer: true. Waves created by earthquake are infrasonic. True. The velocity of a sound is independent of temperature. Answer: false. Not independent, it is dependent. The correct answer is the velocity of a sound is dependent of temperature. The velocity of sound is high in gases than liquids. Answer: false. The correct answer is the velocity of sound is high in liquids than gases. The velocity of sound is high in liquids than gases. Match the following. Column 1 and column 2 are given. In column 1 questions are given and in column 2 answers are shuffled. You have to write a correct answer for the questions. We can see the answers. Infrasonic 10 Hz. Infrasonic 10 Hz. Echo. Ultrasonography. Echo. Ultrasonography. Ultrasonic 22 kHz. Ultrasonic 22 kHz. High pressure region. Compressions. High pressure region. Compressions. Assertion and reason type questions. Mark the correct choice as there are 4 choices. Option A: if both assertion and the reasons are true and the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Option B: if both assertion and the reasons are true but the reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. Option C: assertion is true but the reason is false. Option D: assertion is false, but the reason is true. Question number 1. Assertion. The change in earth pressure affects the speed of sound. Reason. The speed of sound in a gas is proportional to the square of the pressure. Here assertion is true, reason is false. So answer is option C. Assertion is true, but the reason is false. Question number 2. Assertion. Sound travels faster in solids than in gases. Reason. Solid possesses a greater density than that of gases. Here assertion is true, reason is also true, but the reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. So here answer is option B. If both the assertion and the reasons are true, but the reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. Thank you.